This house design was requested by YouTube user Anonymous. This 3-story house plan has a dimension of 12 meters by 5 meters with the total floor area of 166 square meters. Estimated cost for low-end finish, 1,750,000 Philippine pesos or $35,000 US, while the high-end finish cost of 6,350,000 Philippine pesos or $127,000 US. The ground floor consists of carport, porch, small living area, dining area, kitchen, common toilet and bath, storage, maid's room with toilet and bath, laundry area, and service area. Second floor consists of family area, bedroom 1, common toilet and bath, master's bedroom with walk-in closet, toilet, and bath. While the third floor have bedroom 2 and roof deck area. Download floor plan, CAD copy, and 3D house model, check the link below. Shout out to Chabogs, food and reaction blogger. Link below for his channel. If you enjoy this video, give us a like. Drop your comment below if you have question or request for the next video. Subscribe now and hit the bell button to get notified for new creation. See you in the next video.